Bawe is the managing editor, and I'm Kai Rizdal. We will see you tomorrow, everybody. This is APM.
Support for WABE comes from Emory Executive Education, delivered by Goizueta Business School, offering upcoming courses in leadership, AI for business, data analytics, business strategy, and more topics. More at emory.biz/WABE. And from Northside Hospital, encouraging women to prioritize their health and wellness. From health resources to pop-up events, Northside brings well-being within reach. You can join the movement for women's well-being. More at northside.com/herd.
Hey, I'm Michael Obaro, host of The Daily. Every day, New York Times journalists bring you deeper into the story. Our reporters on the ground give you more context, more voices, more of what you need to understand the news. Starting July 7th, listen to The Daily from the New York Times, weekday afternoons at 3:30 on WABE 90.1.
This is member-funded WABE 90.1 FM and HD1 Atlanta, streaming on the WABE app, on your smart speaker, and at WABE.org.
A border dispute between Thailand and Cambodia could boil over and into something much worse.
Both sides have their troops staring down at each other. Neither side can back down because to give up any land is politically disastrous.
I'm Carolyn Beeler.
And I'm Marco Werman. More about that typically bustling border area and a new oceanside resort in North Korea. Could foreign tourists one day mingle there with North Koreans?
I do not see that happening.
Also on the show today, they're only in season for a short time, and they're only perfectly ripe for even shorter, which may explain why everybody's crazy for mangoes, any kind.
People will like sweet mango, some will like sour mango, some will like hairy mango, some will like mango which is hairless.
All that and more today here on The World.
Live from NPR News in Washington, I'm Jack Speer. Pentagon leaders were on Capitol Hill today where they were briefing lawmakers about the U.S. operation against Iranian nuclear sites this past weekend. They provided some new information on the operation. But as NPR's Tom Bowman explains, a number of key questions remain.